All right. You pre-programmed parrots and trauma test dummies. It's your boy FrizzleBob. And tonight we're taking a field trip through NATO's neural maze. Mind the traps, watch your thoughts. The echo chamber's listening. Now tune in, drop thought, and let's get cognitive.
Ladies and Leviathans, lobotomize your lobes. Welcome to NATO's neural noose knot. I'm General FrizzleBob, glitch ghoul of the Grand Graft, briefing you bastards on brain bend brutality. Cognitive warfare, attic arson without the ash, just attitudes assassinated. Peacetime psyops to pixel-plundered pits, dominate delusions, hijack the duped. Who cashes the cognition crash? Fat cats cranking the chaos. Milling dust, Findigi Hydra, sucking synapses via screens. Snap your neurons, sink to the sabotage. This ain't a shield, it's a sickness with a slogan.
Doctrine, dump cognitions, the combat crypt, human hull hacked hollow. Non-kinetic nukes, disinfo deluge, deep fakes, detonate and decision till democracies dissolve up into alpha. Exploit the echo, amplify the ache, warp the will with whispers, turn mass into mirage. Peacetime pipelines pumping poison pure, firewalls feign safety, signals the lure. Degrade dynamas, no nil, produce poison, thwart thought, truth turns toxic, quarantine the quick. Russian reels rewild the real, blame bomb for the blitz, watch the world retreat. Bernays bending bananas to brand blitz, the cells suffer, it smoke suffocates sense and steam. Cognitive carnage, neural napalm rain. Napalm rain. Hijack the heartbeat, sabotage the brain. Sabotage the brain. Who pockets the psy-op plunder? Psy-op. Pyramid pinnacles funding the thunder. Successful salvos, history's filthy flux. The ultra mulch, mockingbirds, media crux.
Sampler savage, MK Ultra's mind machine. LSD lobotomies on unwitting wrecks, behavioral blues, budgeted bleak.
Garlic ghost and guinea pigs, helms hiding haze. Church committed clip, chama creeps unfazed. Mockingbird marionettes, journalists, juice the joker. CIA cutouts, cranking consent, brokers for the brokers. COVID chaos crank, fear fog, dividing dupes. ID pull injections, Irish loops like new selection echoes. Engineered deepfakes, dupe the docket. Roulette, rationality, rigged remote rockets. Tab, stock, twisting tribes, threadbare. Hollywood hallucination, dopamine despair.
Agenda addendum. Erode the edifice from in. Divide, conquer digital din. Quigley's quiet conspiracies, code cache control. Machiavelli mandates and UX scroll. Sun Tzu shadow silicone scaled. No skyline scorch, just scripted self-sabotage unveiled. Stability spun as surf stillness. While suits surge, profit bleeds illness.
Unintended deliberate drip. Public psy-op tab, private pyramids grip.
Edge in the meat, weaponize the wavelength wide. Info wide, implode from inside. Secure souls, not shatter the shard. Govern the guard, discard the regard. Russian sharp scene, slaps and slick. Foes brain faulty while the narrative sticks. Cold War cradle, psyops plowed. Cognitive carnage fuels the crowd. Adam Curtis Hayes, hypernormalized. Absurd accepted lies, tranquilized. Surgeons of silence, spoof school bred. Groomed for the glitch, truth strip fed. Cognitive carnage, neural napalm rain. Napalm rain. Hijack the heartbeat, sabotage the brain. Sabotage the brain. Who pockets the psy-op plunder? Psy-op. Pyramid pinnacles funding the thunder. Successful salvos, history's filthy flux. MK Ultra mulch, mockingbirds, media crux. Rolls over titles, idols eat dust. Eat dust. Briefings buried, blue still break through. Patterns pulse, pyramids profit off you. Intel inverts, Python's view.
Blob bastards, blacken the truth.
Frizzled out wrench still twisting the core. Cognitive carnage ain't a phase, it's war. You dig? The napalm's digital, the anthem's encrypted.
Cancel this comic.substack.com.